Hello, regards from Golia. Golia is a mountain in West Serbia. It is fantastic. If you didn't visit this place, you must visit this place. Today I will talk with you about 70-second rule. I think that you know about 70-second rule if you read something about law of attraction. And what is that 70-second rule? 70-second rule means that if you 70 seconds feel that you already have something what you want, you will attract that in your life. But how to do that? Perhaps you can think 1 hour, 2 hours about something that you want, but you don't feel that you already have that, and you must practice, and through that practice you come to that feeling that you have something, but somebody do not need practice. Somebody will come to that feeling, just think about that. I just feeling that I already have something. In a moment you can have that feeling, but most of people do not have that feeling in the moment. Sometimes we want to have something and our mind says to us, no, you cannot have that. You're so far from your dreams. You cannot have that. So you must practice to come to that feeling. You must practice, I say to you, 1 hour, 2 hours, perhaps 3 hours. And after that, you will have that feeling that you have something what you want. Just 70 seconds. Keep that feeling in yourself, and that will attract something what you want. And also I must say to you one very important thing. That is that if you want something and you are sure that something is the best for you, don't be so specific. Don't have specificity about that. Perhaps you want to buy apartment in some part of town, and you want just that apartment, just only that apartment. No, you don't want to watch others' apartment. That is not good. God knows what is the best for you. So just 70 seconds. Have feeling that you have the most beautiful apartment for you, apartment that you dream about, but don't think about that that apartment is only that apartment that you want to have. Perhaps that is another apartment that you didn't see that apartment, but that apartment is much better from the first apartment. Also, if you want to be with some boy and think about that boy is your boyfriend, only that boy can be my love. That is not, don't think about that way. Just think that you have love, that you feel that you have love 70 seconds, and God, the universe, will send you right person for you. Perhaps that is not the guy that you dream of. Perhaps is that another guy is just for you, and that first guy is perhaps not for you. And I hope that this video will help you. Wish you all the best. This is Golia. Please, if you didn't, like I said at the beginning of this video, if you didn't visit this place, please visit this place. You will see so beautiful nature, and our Serbia is so beautiful. Wish you all the best. Ciao.